There are sensors on each fingers.
The sensors send a signal from one transceiver to another.
That signal is printed onto the hand and moves its fingers.
We designed a boot that a person can wear after they break or fracture their foot.
The boot measures how much acceleration and pressure is being put on the foot.
It then informs the patient if too much acceleration or pressure is being applied to the foot to help it heal properly.
We created the RoboLift.
The RoboLift is an exoskeleton arm that assists people with muscular diseases.
We use a flex sensor and servo motor to copy the user's arm movement and assist him in lifting objects.
We have created the TDS, Theft Deterrent System.
It protects your homes from home invasions, especially at night.
It has motion sensors that detect people on your property that could potentially be a thief.
We created the sixth sensor for blind people.
It is a glove that provides to the wearer haptic feedback about their environments, like distance from objects and heat.
We used ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor, LED strip, photoresistor, and vibration motors.
Our project was the car cell phone jamming.
It jams the driver's cell phone when he puts the car in motion.
It does this by using pressure and temperature sensors.
We created an automatic dog feeder which works to dispense the food for the dog based on when it wants to eat.
Using a pressure sensor and a sound sensor, we were able to determine when the dog wants food, and we used a servo motor to open the lid.
We invented the Quicklane line counter.
It cuts the time people spend on lines in convenience and grocery stores.
It works by counting how many people are in line and then directing them to the shortest line.
We created the garbage alert.
The way that this system works is that it senses how much garbage is in the can, and then alerts the user when to throw out the trash.
We used an ultrasonic distance sensor which measures the amount of garbage in the can. In addition to that, we used a water sensor that detects any spills.
We created the color-coded closet. We made this project so that the average disorganized person can easily find their clothes in the morning.
When making this project, we used color sensors and wireless transmitters in order to figure out what color is on each hanger.
We created a lie detector. A lie detector is a device that is able to tell if a person's lying or not.
To determine this, we use three sensors: galvanic skin resistance, heart rate, and temperature sensors.
We created optimal blinds.
Because manual blinds are difficult for elderly and disabled persons to use.
We did this by using light, motion, and temperature sensors to decide whether the blind should be open or closed.
Our group created the vault.
It enables a person to protect his property.
It has two safety measures, laser trip wires and a force sensor.
Our group built a smart boiler.
This project creates pasta by itself.
We used a temperature sensor to trigger servo motors to open a flap, allowing pasta to fall into the water.
We made a smart intersection.
Unlike a normal intersection, it changes the light based on the amount of cars waiting, not on the time.
The system is able to sense how many cars are on each street with 4 sensors that are inside the street.
We created the air guitar.
It works like a real guitar except without using strings.
It takes buttons and ping distance sensor, and it sends numbers through a MIDI cable to tell the computer which notes to play.
We built a traffic monitoring system.
What this does is it lets us know what the traffic is on the highway, prints it on an LCD monitor at the exits, and sends a text message to your phone. To do this, we use an ultrasonic sensor, an LCD display monitor, a GSM shield, and a SIM card.
We created the windshield wiper defroster. In the winter, it melts the ice on your windshield.
We use temperature sensors to see if there's ice on the car, and then it turned on a heating